birds flying high. You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me.
I feel unhappy. I feel so sad. I have lost the best friend that I ever had.
Hi, I'm Tina Quizon. All across our nation, from Hawaii to the East Coast, our wildlife, our birds are losing their habitats. Our forests, streams, wildlife sanctuaries are dwindling. With every step of man's crusade to build cities, homes, areas of commerce, another swath of land is bulldozed. Watersheds and tributaries filled in. Marshes and wetlands disappearing. And to add to the birds' plight is the environmental harm mankind imposes on nature, our wildlife and birds. Trash, garbage, illegal dumping, and chemicals from man-made waste like coal ash find their ways into our water and our land, causing the birds to have to live amongst our toxic garbage.
Shed each day in love together. But soon the world had its evil ways. My heart was crying